tell your mind strongly, "Oh mind, nothing in the world outside, there's nothing that can please me, nothing that I want. Anything that the mind can bring to the sense organs into itself, sights, sounds, taste, smell, touch, I'm not interested in any of that. Whatever you can supply me with, oh mind, I'm not interested in any of that. And what I am interested in, the witness consciousness, I am the self, that you cannot supply me with." So you are shutting down the mind both ways. You cannot supply me with that. This is a technique from the Yoga Vashishta. The mind will keep quiet. And then you are free of the mind. The senses immediately become silent. When the mind gets this kind of treatment, the senses are the servant of the mind. They become quiet also. Like our master is in trouble. We better